everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today I have a explosion box. Now I saw these double box inside of Dollar Tree and I wanted to give it a try. I've seen most people do like the square box, the standard boxes, but I thought that this would be really cute to do it. So we are going to open this up. And I have already placed the tape. I have some money, and I also have some candies to place inside here. So this is going to be nice. Okay, so here are the two boxes here. And this is how they look. Now, I do know that I am very limited when it comes to space for the inside of the bigger box. As you can see, you can't really put too much in there. So I'm going to place the candy inside of here, and then I'm going to place the money on the bigger box. So the first step is to cut the size of our boxes. Okay, so I'm going to use this box cutter here, and I'm just going to go down the line of each side, and I'm going to cut that off carefully. Okay, and you will repeat these steps for all sizes until you are complete. Okay, so I am done cutting down all of the little slits in my boxes. And now I'm just going to start incorporating my candy and the money. So I'm going to start with the smaller one. I've already added my M&Ms. I have more M&Ms to add. I have already placed my double-sided tape on the back of the candies. Okay, so it seems like that is not going to work because it's too tall. But that's okay. I'm just going to keep the sneakers on by themselves. And now we have something that looks like this. Okay. So I have more room for maybe 2 more pieces of candy. I'm trying to see if I can squeeze 2 more pieces of candy in this side. Okay, perfect. Yes, this look good. Okay, so now I'm going to just add my lid. Okay. And now we're going to work on this next box, which is where I place the money in the inside. And all I have done was just tuck in my money. I folded it in half. Well, I just folded it on 3 sides. Grab my double-sided tape that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Just a little piece. I want to make sure that this part has the double-sided on there as well, so it doesn't open up when you place it on the box. It stays flat. And now you have something that looks like this. Okay, so now you're going to place your smaller box on top. And this is what you will have. I'm sorry. Put it down a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so this is the one with the candy inside, and that's the money at the bottom. Now you can glue these 2 boxes together if you would like. I'm just going to keep mine like so. And this is the finished product. Look like we could probably fit another piece of candy as well. Okay, so I have placed everything that I want to place inside of my boxes. I placed my smaller box inside of the bigger box. And let's get ready for the big reveal. So this is how it turned out. Really cute. I am definitely going to create this again. And what I really love about this DIY project is that you can customize it for anything, any occasion. Birthdays, Mother's Day, graduation, breast cancer awareness. Whatever you want to create it for, you can customize it for that specific thing. And it will turn out great and different every time. So that's exactly why I love creating this DIY project. So I hope that you all give it a try. And if you do, please tag me. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned because we have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.